Nobody escapes problems in life. The difficulty comes when we focus constantly on those negatives. Everything that we are and everything that we do and everything about the way we live and everything about how we experience it is thought.
They say that when they get old, they're okay if their body breaks down. They're fine if they need help going up and down the stairs. They need a little assistance getting in and out of bed, but they want their minds to be intact. And yet, how many of us actually take the time to become emotionally fit?
Who hasn't opened up a red, as in the color red, and unread inbox full of email and felt stress and anxiety, and now all of a sudden the first thing you're doing to start off your day is responding, you're happening.
I just pictured that 3 a.m. looking at the other side of your bed like, I don't like you. I've just discovered I don't like you.
I actually think fundamentally we've stayed more the same in terms of what we want as human beings, our basic needs.
So if we value ourselves, we want to treat ourselves with the very same kind of self-respect. Oftentimes we think we need things that we don't actually need. We want them. We desire them.
You can't think your way out of fear.